Did you know that dark underarms have nothing to do with how clean you are? Most people spend months scrubbing, bleaching, and switching products, without realizing that some of those exact products are what's causing it. The real reason is something completely different, and once you understand it, fixing it takes less than 2 weeks. Why it actually happens? Dark underarms aren't just a pigmentation issue. There are almost always 3 things happening at the same time, and if you only address one of them, nothing visibly changes. Cause 1: friction. The skin under your arms is incredibly thin and sensitive. It rubs against itself, against your clothes, against your bra straps, every single day without a break. That repeated friction triggers something called post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Basically, your skin starts producing extra melanin as a defense response. So the darkness you're seeing, that's not dirt. That's your skin trying to protect itself. Cause 2: product buildup. Most deodorants and antiperspirants contain aluminum compounds, alcohol, and artificial fragrances. Over time, these don't just sit on top of your skin, they interact with it. They clog your pores, create low-grade irritation, and leave behind a chemical residue that literally stains the skin darker. You think you're staying clean, but the product itself is part of the problem. Cause 3: shaving wrong. Using a dull blade, going over dry skin, or pressing too hard creates tiny, invisible cuts across the surface. Your skin inflames, heals, over and over again. And every single healing cycle deposits a little more pigment. Do that 5 times a week for a few years, and the darkness adds up. Now that you know exactly what's causing it, here's how you fix each one. Step 1: fix the friction. Understanding the 3 causes makes the fix obvious. You have to address all of them at the same time, not one at a time. So let's start with the easiest one. Moisturize the area every single day. Dry skin darkens and bruises much faster than hydrated skin. A fragrance-free body lotion applied right after the shower, while the skin is still slightly damp, is enough. That's the whole step. It sounds too simple, but this one change alone slows down the pigmentation cycle significantly. Step 2: reset your products. This one requires a little patience, but it's the most important step of all. Take at least 2 weeks off from your regular antiperspirant. During that time, a baking soda and water paste applied with a cotton pad is a gentle, effective alternative. Baking soda is slightly alkaline, which neutralizes the bacteria that cause odor without blocking your pores or leaving chemical residue behind. After the reset, switch to a clean deodorant. No aluminum, no synthetic fragrance. The skin calms down noticeably within the first week. Once you've given your skin that reset, you're ready for the next step. Step 3: shave correctly. This is the step most people skip, and it makes a huge difference. Always shave at the end of your shower, never at the beginning. Your skin needs several minutes of warm water exposure before the hair follicles soften enough to shave cleanly. Use a fresh blade every single time for this area. A dull blade drags instead of cuts, and dragging is what causes irritation. And shave in the direction of hair growth, not against it. These 3 adjustments alone stop the cycle of inflammation. But there's one final step that actually reverses the existing darkness. Step 4: brighten with the right ingredient. Once those 3 are handled, you can add the brightening step. The ingredient that works best here is niacinamide. It's gentle, affordable, and works by blocking the transfer of melanin to the skin's surface, which is exactly what reverses the existing darkness. Apply a niacinamide serum to clean, dry underarm skin every night before bed. A few drops, pat it in gently. Give it 3 to 4 weeks of consistency, and the difference becomes visible. The real shift. The biggest thing to understand is that underarm skin needs the same gentleness you give your face. Most people are scrubbing it with harsh loofahs, spraying it with drying sprays, and shaving it aggressively. And then wondering why it looks rough and dark. It's not genetics. It's not permanent. It's just skin that's been treated like it doesn't matter. Treat it like it does. The results follow. Which of these 3 causes do you think is the main one for you? Tell me in the comments. Friction, products, or shaving?